Hey, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, man, and I'm in, I don't even know what kind of car this is. It's like a Toyota, what is this? This is like a '02 Toyota Corolla, man. And I gotta get this car moved. It's like my brother-in-law's car. Where's my daughter at? She's behind me. But anyway, and like the transmission's messed up, right? So I figured I'd make a little video, help somebody out like that. So basically what it is, they got like a little button you can press and you could like move the doggone transmission like into like neutral, you know what I'm saying? So let me flip it and I'll show you real quick. All right, so like what I did, like there's this little plastic thing here. I just took like the key and I just popped this out, right? This pops out and there's a little button right here. So like you can't like take it out of, it's like you can't take it out of park without pressing this button. You press this button and then you can take it out of park, you know what I'm saying? So that's the little tip or whatever, that's where it's at right there. Usually like there's like a Toyota, a Mercedes, there's like a little button, you know, to press. So yeah, thanks man, short little video, man. You know, look at the link, man, get you some free stock, man, from Robinhood. Just for signing up, you get free stock, I get free stock, man. Help each other out, man. Make some money, dude, you know what I'm saying? And we'll keep this car thing going. All right, see ya.